Yes, students, today we will start the new chapter. This is chapter number 18 of class 4th. This is student, last time I think I have given you introduction class of this chapter. Okay students, so today we will discuss about one by one about the local self-government. Students, in India there are two types of government. First one is the central government and second one is the state government. Central government students, like in India level, he has power to apply their rules and regulation. But student, whenever you talk about the state government means he has implement their rules up to their state. Okay, and students, also we know that India is a democracy country, means here we all are free to do our work. Okay, here we all are free to do our work, means student, we can do our work according to our desire, according to our wishes, means no one can interfere in our work. Democracy means that. And students, India is a democracy country, here no doubt student. Okay, so student, now we can see that the central government of India is the based in New Delhi, the capital of India. Yes student, parliament is in New Delhi. That's why student, it is said that the central government of India is based in New Delhi, the capital of India. It deals with matters of national importance such as defense, finance, railway, etc. Each state in India has its own government as well. Student, every state government is responsible for maintaining law and order, transport, health service in the state. Local self-government, students, refers to the government at the local level in village, town, cities. Means a student, whenever we talk about local self-government, it refers to the government at the local level in the villages, towns and cities. Students, India local self-government. Listen, India is a vast country. It is not possible for the central government to look after the needs of all the villages, towns and cities in the country. To meet these needs, a system of local self-government has been developed. Yes student, it is not possible to take care of everyone in by the help of central government student. That's why it is implemented by our government that, like student, central government student divided into state government, after state government that divided into local self-government. And student, also that's why districts also divided into students blocks and blocks divided into panchayat. Students, after that what happened in villages area, you will find that in ancient times our country had a very good system of local government in village. Every village had a headman who was either appointed by the king or was chosen by the people of that village. Listen student, headman means or chieftain, mukhya, these all words are same student. Means a person who is appointed by the people for taking care, for the serving themselves, a person who is appointed. And students, in India it is ruled that after 5 years election has held here and we can choose according to our wishes a government. You can choose your headman according to your wishes. No pressure is there. Student, each village in India has a village or gram panchayat which looks after the needs of people living in the village. Yes student, gram panchayat, you will find it also student, if somebody has problem, firstly he will take the help of gram panchayat. Means in gram panchayat student, he will discuss the each and every points. Members of the gram panchayat are elected by the all villagers above the age of 18 years old. Listen student, After, according to India, whenever you became the 18 years old, a student, you have also right to give the vote. The word panchayat means a council of five. The panchayat elects the sarpanch or the head and work for the welfare of the village, and the panchayat is elected for the 5 years. That student already I have discussed with you. For 5 years, that person are elected. 1/3 of the seats in the panchayat are reserved for the women also. Yes, student. In villages area, that seat is also reserved. Many villages have a woman as the sarpanch. Listen, students. Even you will find that in your village area also, your chieftain, your sarpanch, maybe she is a woman. Village panchayat do many important things for the people. The members of village panchayat meet from time to time, discuss the problem of the village and try and solve them. Yes, student, in villages area, you will find that the ward members, they will visit your house and they will try to know that your problem. After that, student, they will solve the problems. The panchayat is responsible for the cleanliness of the village. It takes up important work like digging wells, providing drinking water, making roads and running schools. Medical centers and health centers, the village panchayat also settle disputes between people and families in the village. Yes, student. If any kinds of problem in the village, it is the duty of the headman to take care of that, like cleanliness, small types of roads, okay, water problem, they will take care about that. These are the duties of the local government. In town and cities, student, in town and cities, the local government bodies are called municipalities and municipal corporation. Yes, student, it is in a small town and city, it is known as the municipal corporation and municipal parties. Big cities like Kolkata and Delhi was municipal corporation. Yes, student, municipal corporation. Listen, in a small town, municipalities, but in big town, it is known as the municipal corporation. Whereas a small towns such as Puri and have municipalities. The mayor is head of the municipal corporation, while the head of municipality is the chairperson. Listen, student, like in a village, a chieftain is the head of a village. Same like a student, in a small town or cities, there is a municipalities and chairperson is the head of that municipalities. But student, whenever you talk about the big town like Delhi, Kolkata, there is student municipal corporation and mayor is the head of that cities. People in the town cities where are 18 years of age and above elected the member of the municipality or the municipal corporation. Same way student, after 18 years and after 5 years, election has held there. Same 18 years and after 5 years. The municipal corporation and the municipality perform similar function. They keep the town and cities clean by the clearing garbage and disposing of the waste, construction and the repairing road, providing street lights, providing safe drinking water, keeping an account of birth and death, providing electricity, setting up health systems, maintaining schools, maintaining the public transport systems, setting up public parks, etc. Listen, students, these are the duties of municipal corporation and municipalities. They have to take care about the health system. Means the student, if they have issue related to health, they will also take care about the health systems. They will take care of the government hospitals. Whenever any types of construction is needed, they will take care of that. If they needed to make the park and clean the park, these are the duties of municipal corporation and municipalities. They will take care about these things to student. Okay, means student, in simple way, just try to understand. We elected the municipal corporation, municipalities, panchayat just for the welfare of ourselves, and these are their responsibilities to take care of ourselves. Thus, we see that all these local self-government bodies, panchayat, municipalities and municipal corporation help us to lead comfortable life by providing different types of services to us. Yes, student, they have provided the different kinds of facilities for us because these are the duties of theirs. Okay, students, this way we have completed chapter number 18. Students, after that, the student, we will do the question answer. Now, student, what we have to do, just go through the chapter. Just go through the chapter, and student, try to read this chapter once again. By this way, student, what happened? Your concept will be clear 100%. So, student, in next video, I will give you the next chapter video. Okay. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a nice day.